Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Escape SE in Velocity Blue. It has gray cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. With a 1.5 liter 3-cylinder engine, it's an all-wheel drive, and it's got an automatic transmission. It also has navigation with the Ford Co-Pilot 360 assist. As well, it has adaptive cruise control and a reverse camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it is your cruise control with adaptive cruise control. You also have your lane keeping as well as your volume. On the right hand side is your dash with your menu as well as hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages will appear. As well, you've got a menu that you can toggle through. So right now we're looking at trip 1, and as we toggle, we go into My View, Driver Assist, Navigation, your media, phone, information, and back around again. And each of these headings have sub-menus. In the center is a display screen, and you can touch on it for different options. We can go into audio and choose our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Your navigation map is going to come up. And as well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There we go. And then when it comes back around to the settings, we can touch on there. I don't know if I pressed it enough. There you go. You can slide through for different options: Ford Pass Connect, automatic updates, and so forth. Your volume and tuner, hazard lights. And then down below is the fan. You've got heated seats for both driver and passenger, and the digital display for your climate control, AC and max AC, the front and rear defrost. And then down below is a USB and USB-C plus a 12 volt. And you have your dial shifter, electronic parking brake, auto hold. So if you're on an incline or you're towing, you would use that to keep you in place. This is your drive mode, and as you press it, it'll appear on the dash, and you can toggle through simply by pressing each time. Normal, and I'll go back in, Eco, Sport, Slippery, Snow, Sand, and back around again. And you also have your auto stop start, and that's for less idle time. And then you can open up your armrest, lots of room in there. And then off to the side is your glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's also a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body color door handle with intelligent access, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. There's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper in the rear here, and just below the escape badge is where your backup camera is located. You have dual exhaust, and then when you want to open up that hatch, simply put your hand in the latch down below, push the button, and it'll open easily for you. Nice and roomy back here. You've got extra carpeted mats. Off to the side you have a 12 volt. There's also hooks and tabs to be able to tether things, and you have a tire underneath there. When you're ready to close it all up, there's a handle to the right. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then close everything up and lock it up, walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and there's a bar handle underneath the seat. When you press that, you can slide your seat forwards and backwards, giving you more cargo room or more leg room. When you want to bring these seats down, you simply pull the lever at the base here. It'll bring the seat right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing the extra carpeted mats, and there's also anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then just flip it back up into the upright position. In the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You have these nice all-weather mats on the floor. That just keeps everything nice and clean. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you've got your air vents as well as the USB and USB-C. Up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, auto high beams and their halogen, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.